welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm sorry guys, this is so funny. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Atling Tansi and hey, I forgot my intro. Okay, let me rewind. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you've been here, welcome back and thank you for your support, honey. If you're new here, welcome to the fair. I am Atling Tansi and I'm back with another video. Guys, today as a new day, new energy, new vibes, new everything, feeling pretty and stuff, you know what I mean? Lashes by me, hair by me. This is an old hairpiece. Let me actually be honest, guys. This is an old hairpiece I found in the wardrobe. And I was like, can I try and make something out of it? I'm not really proud of it, but like, I was like, let me try and make something out of it. I'm still going to make it look proper. I'm not actually fully done with my hair. So guys, in this vlog, it's actually getting back into routine. I want to get back to stuff I would usually do on a daily basis, because there have been a lot of things that I've been doing the past few weeks and stuff. Actually right now I was just doing laundry. It's not really much. I still have to pack the other laundry that we did. And yes, right now we're going to fetch the car at my mom's workplace, so let's go guys. You guys are going to enjoy the video. Please make sure you like, comment and subscribe to keep on seeing more of this beauty. You're beauty, man. It's good. To keep seeing more of this beauty, guys, I'm going to fetch the car right now. Hopefully my mom left the keys and stuff. You know what I mean? Let me see you guys in the next clips. Ciao. Okay guys, I'm actually here to fix my mom's jacket. I don't know about on this place. So I'm here to have my mom's jacket sewed up and stuff. So I'm just going to leave the car here and just take the jackets. Oh, it's actually so hot outside, so I'm not going to lie. The sun can just kill your energy like that, bruh. So yep, let's leave it. Will I be able to make it out of this packing? In fact, let's just go, guys. That was literally really a quick in and out. Let me just show you guys. I don't even think I'll see the part that needed that. Yeah, oh, it's here. Yeah, it was here, but now it's okay. Yeah, nothing else. So we are leaving. We have a seatbelt on, guys. I can't believe this, am I the one driving here? I can't believe it, but let's just have some music. Driving with you guys is going to be a problem because YouTube does copyright. So having music on is going to be a problem. So let me just see you guys at home. I literally just had to come and take this car and then leave. So let me see you guys at home, right? Hi guys, it's a new day into the vlog. Today we are at my mom's work. We are here to help her out. So yes, you guys also need to don't trust that. Why do you know me so much? Let's is gorgeous. Mine is so pink. This is mine, but it's very good quality. I'm not going to lie.
But it's very
This
sticky.
is just. It's not. Try it. It's not.
Test lily. Test the chocolate.
Try it. Oh, that's how your mouth is.
Barbecue.
That's how your mouth is pink. It makes the mouth pink.
Yeah, Mama, tell me then this side.
It's not sticky. It's not. The food is sticky. This one.
No, this thing is actually really sticky.
It's not sticky.
I can't even do this properly.
And this is what? Is the glitter.
They're both glittery. They're both glittery. Look at your lips. They're glittery.
And if I can do it,
And this one.
I still prefer this one. Turns out I need glitter. I don't know.
Hi guys, I'm the original. Hi guys, I'm the original owner. I bought this today and it looks so cute, it's so girly and I'm not using plain. As a girl, you need to know that you need to share with the day for buying.
The next hairstyle, guys, the next hairstyle is going to be fire. Never mind this one. This one, like, I want something that's going to be like, wow. And like, it's going to make my head so swell. This one, goddess.
Sana akuchayiswa lapho.
Long chase. Yeah, we don't chase.
So guys, we're still at work. We did a lot more.
Hi guys, we are still at my mom's work right now. Actually, we're about to leave. I just came to warm up the car, and then they're going to come, and then we leave. So I think the time now is about 7:30. So it's about to be. Yeah, we're about to cut it quits, Joe. We're about to cut it quits, nigga. Understand what I'm saying? So yes, guys. Yeah, it's the end of today. I will see you guys tomorrow. Most probably, I'll be able to do everything I wanted to do or I planned to do, and yeah, it's actually going to be a normal day tomorrow. Yes, because my mom won't be going to work. So yeah. So I'll see you guys then. In the meantime, I think I'll try and make sure that in this same vlog I will be able to check out the gyms, because I really do want to go back. They're not bad actually, so I'll just test them out, guys. Like I'll make sure I make a plan. Oh, watch this girl, guys. So so yes, guys, it's the end of today. I will see you tomorrow, and yeah, I hope you guys continue enjoying this vlog. But yeah, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Bye. a new day of the vlog. Why does my nose feel like it's running and stuff? To a new day. Oh, I have to check for my license, Phil. I was saying, welcome to a new day of the vlog. Today I'm going to buy a few nyana stuff that we need at home, and then I'm going to fetch my granny from wherever she is. So let's go, guys. Let's go together. Let's live together. And guys, we are close to 100. Asambe my gang. Oh. Asambe my gang. It's also a Sunday. It doesn't. You know, guys, actually yesterday I can explain what happened. I thought I was going to come home and just relax, you understand? But yo, there was a lot to be done. Actually, at home there is a lot to be done each time, shame. So I was like, yes, I think I'm going to be productive during the night, because you can't do a lot. I mean, you can't do a lot during. You can't do a lot during the day, yabo. So go is like, you know what? And still, I was supposed to do. And still, yesterday I was supposed to try and finish folding the laundry and stuff. So go, I couldn't because of time. I couldn't because of time, so I think I'll do that during the week, ne? I'll try and make sure I find time during the week, honestly speaking. Yeah, I think that's all I have to address right now. Let me just open the gate. So yep, guys, I think that's all I wanted to address, ne? What else? No, nothing else. But I just came home and then I just cleaned. So we are going to do a lot of cleaning in this vlog. I'm not going to lie. Hi guys, we are leaving to the rural areas. Yeah, we just put gets into the car, so we're about to leave. And yes, I don't know what time we'll be back with your. See you later. We're actually on our way home right now, guys. We just dropped off my granny. So yeah. I couldn't even vlog the way and the trip and stuff
because you were driving.
So I'm teaching my little sister to drive illegally. Hey, illegally. But anyway, I was supposed to do her hair today, but I couldn't because of time and stuff. So yes. Hi guys, safe from born.
I want to show again. I need to pin them in Bonnequest vlogs until November.
Yeah.
Sorry. Yenziwa njani? Hey, uzofaka.
a new thing to the vlog. We are actually looking for pajamas for my sister and jackets for me, but we seem to have no luck. Oh my god, bro, you can't. I was a jungle so. Like honestly, guys, we're having a hard time. That's a jacket too. But like it's easy. Well, it's easy. I need something with the bro. You can't find pajamas here. So we're going to check at Ackermans. We'll check at Ackermans. We are literally at Jet trying to look for pajamas and stuff, but no luck, shame. No luck. But like this town is small on its own, so I understand why. Then this fella tell you about kidney later. Pajamas. We're going to look for a jacket. We're looking for a jacket. Oh, you copyright. We finally got my jacket and I love it. But we're just going to taste and then I'm going to do my sister's hair. When last it got crisp. Little such we have this. No. All of guys, when I'm born in time, mind you, it has stylist now. But guys, it's not like condoms and it's schools are opening tomorrow. The uniform in Dhaka. Yeah. Honestly, I'm a slow eater. I'm a very slow eater, guys. Like, I'm literally on my second shoes on the fourth. This is not as bad as the solo date. She's not talking too much. Let me introduce you to my territory. This is where I just but so tell mama confident. That's why I'm eating. Oh, like this is my favorite shrimp.
We are in such a rush back to school. I remember for 8 and 20.
So much. My sisters are waiting close. Just all by music, guys. Thank you.
I'm just a mega for second today.
Really, they good by the red John. You love them.
It is my say avocado yaka. Hi, okay.
Let's get rid of people's stuff.
Send na lay one is like
Oh, right. Okay, what's that in there?
Master nga loy cat.
Hey. Smells like small. Oh, see? Hey, what are you doing? I know. You must be.
I am the system for advantage.
Sorry, it's all the same. Careful.
What is it?
Hey, what's that about bike? You know that's what that is. Don't touch it with fire. So.
Small bites. Oh. Involved is guys,
She plays too much.
I had to cook.
When the master come around the meal, it's funny, Master. It's funny, yeah. It's funny. It's funny, it's shape. Oh my days, you can try on your. We know what you do.
Apply equally.
Hi guys, I'm home. You know what I love about this jacket? Of jersey, like I got like good. But yo, so yes guys, this is the jacket. It's like half jacket, yeah. That's what I'm saying. But yeah, that's today. So I'm about to do my little sister's hair. We are doing my little sister's hair right now. And we've been walking up and down in town and everything, but it's been a day. It's been a day, and I'm actually quite consistent with vlogging. I love that now. Like each time I'm motivated to pick up the cam, and I'm like, guys, let's do this. Yeah, like, guys, let's do this. So yeah, that's what is going on right now, and I'm very happy that now I have a jacket to just wear. I was very skeptical about the color, but at the same time I'm like, you know what, buy that shit, like, yeah, buy that shit. Okay guys, let me just be serious. Now I'm going to change into my PJs and just carry on doing my sister's hair because tomorrow is a school day and she has to go to school with a full head, like she has to be done with the hair. That's what I'm saying. So yep, let's get into that. Let me just not waste time and talk a lot, just not knowing what I'm saying, but like, let's get into that. Hi guys, welcome to another day of the beautiful vlog. Welcome to a new day. I'm sorry. Welcome to the new day of a beautiful vlog, a very beautiful vlog. You know what I mean? So what's going on though today? Nothing much actually, you know. I was just renewing my lashes today, cleaning my eyes, cleaning my lashes. That's what I was doing. I'm about to first I'm about to wash a sheet, like using my hands because yeah, washing machine day with white thing like and tell me mom. So I'm going to use my hands to, guys, it's cold in this house, like it's gold. Yo, what's in ngaphandle? So I'm going to go outside, wash the, like every day, like hi. We are washing each and every single day. We've been washing clothes, we've been washing blankets, I don't know. I feel like we can feel the new season about to come in. Like, ready, Joe. Like, ready, Joe. Do you understand? So I've been doing just that, and the bedding it's clean now. Like I don't want to hear nothing. The bedding is clean, so I'm about to do that, and I'm hopefully I'm about to wash my shoes tomorrow. Yes, yeah. Hopefully I will wash my shoes tomorrow. Yeah, not only mine, but like you understand what I'm saying. So that's what's going on today, guys. I don't know if there's anything else, but yeah, like I'm feeling quite cold. And these days, I'm less busy, so I'm able to do things I plan to do each time. So come with me, let's do that. Let's do it. Don't mind my hair being very lightish, colorish. I put Vaseline because it is itchy, very itchy. Like I feel like each time I do a hairstyle, I never really take care of my hair like that. So this time around, I'm like, you know what? Take care of your hair. Yeah, take care of your hair, girl. You know what I mean? So I'm doing just that. It's been, today I woke up early, guys. Not really early, but to me it feels early. And I was able to just do everything I wanted to do. Oh, also, nakanjani kusasa, when I wake up, I have to start and look for the gym. Like literally. If I don't find one, guys, I'll carry on here at home. Like, it's not a problem. It's not a problem. Okay, I just wanted to be outside, you know. Okay, I just wanted to be outside, you know. So we're going to do that. So we're going to do just that. See y'all. Guys. So we're going to do just that. I'm just in a mood today, guys. Don't feel like don't have questions. I'm just happy that tonight, life has life is a reason for you to be happy. So be happy, Chomi. Be happy, Ndazakai. Be happy, my love. See ya. Guys, we're actually going to fetch order my package from my mom's work, and then we are taking food to her. Literally got a bag here. So yeah, see you when I come back. I'm at KFC. I ordered lunch for my mom. Like I was like, ain't no way, Sana. Like, let me just get her something nice. So yeah, I bought a KFC. So yeah, let's wait for that, and then we're going to go to her workplace. See you guys. Hello guys, I'm back. I feel so tired. Excuse me. I've been walking to here, so I feel very tired. I don't know if we should face the sun or what. Let's just face the sun now. I can't see. Okay, we don't have to face the sun. We have a few items, really few items. It's Balekayo Joe. A really few items that I felt like I just needed, like not even needed, but like I really wanted it like now. So that's the whole way I'm doing. So Temu, how I bought this from Temu. I'm sure you guys can also see it's a very small package. But yeah, it's a quick meal. This is Idubu la mama basadi. No, it's actually mine. Yo, I think you guys would wanna see. Yeah. Hopefully you guys can see. I don't know if the sun is disturbing or what. But like, yeah. I had already opened the package because I wanted to see. Actually, my mom wanted to see what I bought. So yeah. Let's see. Oh, okay, I love it. No ngayithanda, like ngayithanda. You know, I'm just enjoy. Like ngayithanda. I love the texture, honestly. It's very, yeah. And also, when I was ordering, I was like, okay, no, let me just change. Like, yeah. Let me just change a bit, you know, because each time when I buy something or I look for something, I'm always going for black or pink. Even now it's black and pink, like, bruh. So I always go for black and pink, and which this time I was like, okay, you know what? Just look for something different. Like I swear, most of my clothes are either black or pink. That's what it is. Oh, and then jewelry, cute. But I bought these for my mom. I literally wanted to do something for her since I was ordering for myself. I think you guys can see. I don't have to open them. She'll open them herself. Yeah. I'll put the pictures here. She'll open them herself. And then where's the other one, the smaller one? Ooh. Let me open this one. Because it's actually my sister's, but I would want her to open it herself. But it's a cute necklace in a silver color. I love silver because when you see gold stuff, they are quick to rust, and then when it's silver, at least iyahlala. Understand what I'm saying? Let me pull you guys closer. Yeah. And I was saying, silver, uyahlala. This is silver. I will show you guys when she opens it herself. Because I bought these for my mom, and then I bought these for my little sister. Yeah, yeah. And this one is mine, you guys also. And then let's see what of this one. Oh, actually not bad. It's not bad. Oh my days. Oh my days. I thought like the quality would be different. Oh, sorry. Let me put your girls away. I thought the quality would be a bit hard, but even this is not bad, shame. Yeah, I'm not thingy. I'm not disappointed actually. So I love it. I love how it's cropped. Guys, I don't have crop style, like crop tops at all. But I don't know what I would wear this with. I just wanted it. Like, I loved the design and stuff. So yep, this is it. I don't know what I would wear. I feel like it's giving summer, just put on something on top. It's giving biker. It's giving my jumpsuit vibes, with like techies, Yep. Let's put it back. Actually not disappointed. Hey, I thought like I would, since I was wearing it Temu. I was like, are you sure you wanna wear it? Like, are you quite sure? And this is actually like my first haul on this channel. Like, this is my first haul on the channel. So last but least, because I said last but not least. So the sun, last but least. Sana. No man, I can't disappoint you, Temu. Temu is not disappointing. I hope it feels shame. This is the top. Oh my days! It's like a kid. The texture. I thought this was going to be once of type of transaction, but like in a turn quality corner. Oh my days! Do you guys know what size this is? I can't believe. What do they go? What? Clothing.com. If size up, yeah, I can't find the size, but see, this is small. What a long sleep. They're not bad. actually loving the quality. Oh, loving the quality. So but I won't show you guys. Like, you guys would see when I'm wearing these. I don't think I have to just fit them or like fit them. But like this, oh my days. I actually wanted a jumpsuit more than this. And I ended up buying these. Ah! Why is it long? And it has pockets. I'm out of water. Guys, I think I'm so into this type of material and stuff. I have red tights like these. But yeah, it's a 2-piece trim. I'm loving it down. And that's all. Also the color, I decided to go for brown because like I already have black stuff, like a lot of black stuff. So I was like, yeah. But this hipster thingy here, yeah, making me think a bit. So yeah, I think I wanna fit them now, but like I don't feel like fitting them now. So let me just. Yeah, because my mom and little sister would want to see, so let me just put them back. I'll fit them when they are here. So yep, this is the end of the haul, of the mini Temu haul. I'm proud. No, actually, I'm proud. Even though it's not a lot, because I don't know what else I would have just bought. But I'm proud of this. Of what I have here. Okay, let me just put them back until I just and then I'm going to carry on with cleaning. Actually, you know my goal? I want to drop this as in like this week. Today is a Wednesday. So I think dropping this Boma Friday, Saturday would be a very great idea. Oh, actually, I'd have to edit this vlog fast, Shane. I'm not going to lie. Because I'm planning on going on a match on Saturday, which might be on the next vlog, upcoming vlog. So yes, guys. No man, I'm not disappointed, honestly. Overall, I'm not disappointed. I also love this. But this is when I'll start wearing this. But in the meantime, you guys just have to live with my hairstyle for a while. Like, just live with my hairstyle for a while. But yeah, yes, I guess we are done. I'm just going to leave it like that. I came back with Sana. Receiver. I came back with the food because my mom couldn't eat at work. She ate what I prepared for her here at home. Like what I prepared for her. What I had initially here in the house prepared for her. What the fuck? Yeah, so she ate that and she was like, she's going to eat maybe. Yeah, it's just a mini striptease too. It's nothing much. So guys, that is the Temu haul and also the end of the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on that post notification so you're notified each time I drop another video on this channel. So you're notified each time I drop another video on this channel. And guys, sianyuka mind liking. Sianyuka. But I don't know. Like guys, I'm very grateful for my subscribers. Thank you so much. So we're keeping it going. Road to 1K. Google 1K. Road to 1K subscribers. And make sure you like, guys. Please just like. I'm giving you 2 seconds to like. Thank you. So I think this is also the end of the vlog, guys. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much, guys. I feel like I just love talking to you guys a lot, and I'm about to clean right now. And also yeah, I'm just going to fold the laundry and put the thingies in my like the clothes into the wardrobes and stuff. Otherwise, I mean, I will cook, yeah, supper. Otherwise, other than that, I'll just have time to edit my vlog, and hopefully I won't lie, guys, I've been postponing this thingy of going to review the gym. I've been postponing it, and I'm going to do that in the next vlog. So I'm just going to review the gyms in the next vlog and go to the match. So basically, I think tomorrow I'm going to start a new vlog where I'll be going to the match. I mean, where I'll be going, yeah. We will see, guys. So bye. I like it, you see.